Guys, look at the rain up there. Look at all that rain. It's raining so hard. Look at you can barely see the house over there. It's raining so hard right now. And the wind has picked up, man. The wind, I'd be going 50, 60 miles an hour over here. Swear to God, not lying to you. Yeah, look at this. Oh my God. This stuff is crazy. Wow. Yo, what up is Jason? I'm out in the tropical storm winds. Unbelievable. Yeah. Holy mackerel. Wow. Woo. It's crazy. Is it crazy? This is wild. Yeah. Yeah. Look at my tree, man. My tree. Look at when those branches about to fall and break. Look at them. That wind's blowing like crazy up there. Holy mackerel. I don't want to get my camera all wet. This shit crazy. There goes the FedEx truck. Bye. Bye bye bye. FedEx truck. Yeah. Wow. Look at this shit. Uh-oh. I got water on my camera. I don't want to get water. Look at that wind blow. No joking around. Wow. Woo! Look at the trees going. Holy shit, look at that tree. Damn. Yeah. Woo! It is so windy out here right now. The wind gotta be gusting 60 miles an hour. Oh, look at those trees. They're going nuts. Yeah. Wow. Look at that one. Woo. Here comes the high gust right now. Look at that wind go. Holy mackerel. It is blowing real hard. Wow.